Welcome to LEARNIT, where curiosity meets knowledge and inspiration sparks growth. Whether you're a student eager to excel, a lifelong learner on a quest for wisdom, or simply someone hungry for new insights, this is the place for you. Join us as we dive into a world of endless discovery, because knowledge knows no bounds. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you never miss an opportunity to learn something new. Get ready to broaden your horizons, challenge your thinking, and embark on an exciting journey of education and growth.
Here are 10 tips and ideas to consider when creating content for YouTube. 1. Define your niche. Choose a specific topic or niche that you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This helps you build an engaged audience and establish yourself as an authority in that area. 2. Plan your content. Create a content calendar or plan in advance to ensure regular uploads and maintain consistency. This helps you stay organized and provide structure to your channel. 3. Engaging thumbnails and titles. Craft eye-catching thumbnails and compelling titles that entice viewers to click on your videos. Make sure they accurately represent the content and create curiosity. 4. High-quality production. Invest in decent audio and video equipment to improve the production value of your videos. Clear audio and good visuals contribute to a better viewer experience. 5. Create valuable content. Focus on providing value to your viewers. Whether it's education, entertainment, or inspiration. Make sure your content addresses their needs and interests. 6. Be authentic and genuine. Be yourself on camera and let your personality shine through. Authenticity helps you connect with your audience and build trust. 7. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments, ask for feedback, and encourage viewers to participate in discussions. Engaging with your audience fosters a sense of community and loyalty. 8. Collaborate with others. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. This can help expand your reach, introduce you to new audiences, and provide fresh perspectives to your content. 9. Utilize SEO strategies. Optimize your video titles, descriptions, and tags with relevant keywords to improve search rankings. This increases the chances of your videos being discovered by new viewers. 10. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media platforms. Embed them on your website or blog, and consider collaborating with influencers to increase visibility and reach. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Stay consistent, adapt to feedback, and continuously improve your content to grow your audience.